Hi, my name is Summer McKinney. I'm in BSN 346, Section 5, and this is my deep tendon reflex video. So today we're going to meet our patient, Bosun. She's my pregnant patient, so just come follow me. Hi, Bosun. My name is Sam. I'm going to be your nurse for today. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you for asking. So today we're going to be doing an exam on your deep tendon reflexes. But before I start, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands and get the whole room settled, okay? Okay. Wash my hands with my Germix. I'm going to go ahead and provide patient privacy, and I'm going to verify that this is the correct patient. Bosun, can I see your bracelet, please? Can you verify your name and your date of birth?
Bosun Otonya 08-15-86.
Awesome, perfect. So this is the correct patient. So like I said, today we're going to be doing a deep tendon reflex test. So that's basically done during a normal physical exam, but it's very important for a pregnant patient to be assessed for those reflexes. It gives me a specific nerve function, and it gives me the level of irritability for your CNS, your central nervous system. How it's graded upon for that specifically is from a 0 to 4 scale. 0 meaning no response, 1 meaning sluggish, 2 meaning active, 3 meaning brisk, and then 4 meaning hyperactive. So a 1 and a 2 is okay. 1 and 2 is normally seen in a pregnant patient. We don't want a 3 or a 4 because that can indicate preeclampsia. And preeclampsia means hyperactivity in the muscles. If we don't detect preeclampsia, then it'll escalate to eclampsia, which means you're at risk for seizures. Alrighty? Okay, so we're going to be doing 3 different exercises, 4 different reflexes. The first reflex is your bicep, okay? So for the bicep reflex, I'm going to go ahead and find her antecubital fossa right here. I'm going to use my left thumb to go ahead and cover. And you can go ahead and relax on your thigh right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit my thumb, and I'm looking for a contraction of the bicep and flexion of the arm. There we go, one more time. Yep, and that's an active response, so that's 2. All right, and we're going to stick on this side. We're going to look for now the tricep reflex. So I'm going to go ahead and have you dangle your arm. Yep, you can go ahead and put all your weight on it. So for the tricep reflex, I'm going to hit just slightly above the elbow, and we're looking for a contraction of the tricep and then extension of the arm. Go ahead and move the camera. All right, ready? 1, 2. Go ahead and move like that. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. A little bit of an extension, active reflex right there. Now we're moving down to the Achilles tendon. So I'm going to go ahead and move the camera down so you can see. I'm still here. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and flex her foot up. And I'm going to hit just behind the ankle. And I'm looking for plantar flexion for her foot when I hit it. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. That's an active reflex. And then last but not least, I'll just go ahead and stay on the floor for the Clonus. So for the Clonus, Clonus indicates a level of a high risk of seizures. So for Clonus, that means when I lift your foot up, we don't want to see any bouncy or shakiness. So that'll be a positive response. So we want a negative response. So I'm going to go ahead and hold the foot up, support the foot that I'm testing, and I'm going to go ahead and flex and plantar flex and extend the part of the toes. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then as you can see, there's no bounciness or shakiness, so that's a negative test. So no Clonus here. Alrighty. Going back up. Alright, Bosun, do you have any other questions for me? We're all done here.
No, thank you.
Awesome. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. And then, are you comfortable the way you are right now?
Can you put my bed down?
Okay, I'll go ahead and put her bed down. Shifting the bed down. And then, if you need anything, here is your call light. Call if you need anything. And that's the end of my skill.
Thank you.